Fluctuating voltage can cause flickering lights and potential equipment damage. Loose connections, damaged wires, or overloaded transformers can lead to these voltage fluctuations. When a transformer carries too much load, it can overheat and cause voltage drops or unstable power, which results in flickering lights. Loose connections at the transformer or service entrance can cause intermittent power supply, also leading to flickering lights and other electrical issues. A bushing is an insulating component between the transformer and its secondary cables. Loose or damaged bushings can create insulation problems, causing arcing and flickering lights. In rare cases, a transformer can fail due to overheating, a manufacturing defect, or lightning strikes, leading to severe flickering and potential electrical hazards. Firstly, have a qualified electrician inspect the transformer, wires, and connections to identify and repair any loose or damaged components. Secondly, contact your utility company to request a load test or transformer inspection if you suspect the transformer is overloaded or has any issues. Thirdly, install a voltage regulator or surge protector to protect sensitive electronics from voltage fluctuations. Fourthly, consider using energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce the load on the transformer and minimize flickering. It's crucial to have flickering light issues investigated promptly, as they can be a symptom of underlying electrical problems that could pose safety risks or cause damage to equipment. Neglecting or delaying repairs can lead to more severe consequences, such as electrical fires or power outages. When troubleshooting flickering lights, consider these points. Begin by checking for loose connections. Examine the wiring at the light fixtures themselves, the switches, and the outlets. Loose connections can create intermittent contact, resulting in flickering. Tighten any loose screws or replace worn-out connectors. Next, investigate the voltage levels in your home. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage at various outlets. The voltage should be within the acceptable range, typically 110 volts to 120 volts in the United States. If the voltage is consistently low or fluctuating, it could indicate a problem with the electrical supply. Overloaded circuits can also cause flickering lights. When too many appliances or devices are connected to a single circuit, it can exceed the circuit's capacity, leading to voltage drops and flickering. Try redistributing the load by plugging some devices into different circuits. If the flickering persists, consider upgrading the electrical panel to increase the capacity of the circuits. Another potential cause of flickering lights is interference from electronic devices. Some devices, such as dimmer switches, fluorescent lights, and certain appliances, can generate electromagnetic interference that affects the voltage stability. Try turning off these devices one by one to see if the flickering stops. If a specific device is causing the interference, consider replacing it with a different model or installing a filter to suppress the interference. In some cases, flickering lights can be caused by problems outside your home. Issues with the utility company's equipment, such as transformers or power lines, can affect the voltage supply to your property. Contact your utility company to report the problem and request an inspection of their equipment. If you suspect that a transformer is the source of the flickering lights, there are several things to consider. Check the transformer for any signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or corrosion. If you notice any damage, contact your utility company immediately. Listen for any unusual noises coming from the transformer, such as humming, buzzing, or crackling sounds. These noises could indicate a problem with the transformer's internal components. Check the transformer's load rating to ensure that it is not overloaded. The load rating is the maximum amount of power that the transformer can safely handle. If the transformer is overloaded, it can overheat and cause voltage drops, leading to flickering lights. The power company will often perform a load test to determine if the transformer is overloaded. The connections in the transformer can be a source of issues as well. Inspect the bushings, which are the insulating components that connect the transformer to the electrical grid. Look for any signs of damage or wear, such as cracks, chips, or discoloration. Loose or corroded connections can also cause flickering lights. Tighten any loose connections and clean any corroded surfaces. If you are not comfortable working with electrical equipment, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to inspect the transformer and make any necessary repairs. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous, so it is important to take precautions and follow safety guidelines. Consider the age of your electrical wiring. Old or outdated wiring may not be able to handle the demands of modern appliances and electronics, leading to flickering lights. If your home has old wiring, consider upgrading it to a newer, more efficient system. Grounding issues can also cause flickering lights. Ensure that your electrical system is properly grounded to protect against electrical shocks and voltage fluctuations. If you suspect a grounding problem, contact a qualified electrician to inspect your system and make any necessary repairs. Weather conditions can sometimes affect the stability of your electrical supply. During storms or extreme weather events, power lines can be damaged, leading to voltage fluctuations and flickering lights. Contact your utility company to report any weather-related electrical problems. The presence of rodents or other pests can also cause electrical problems. Rodents can chew through wires, causing damage and creating a fire hazard. If you suspect a rodent infestation, contact a pest control professional to remove the pests and repair any damaged wiring. If you have ruled out all other possible causes of flickering lights, it may be necessary to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can perform a thorough inspection of your electrical system and identify any underlying problems. They can also make any necessary repairs or upgrades to ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system. Regarding surge protection, it is highly recommended to install surge protectors to protect your sensitive electronics from voltage fluctuations. Surge protectors can help to prevent damage to your equipment caused by power surges or spikes. Consider using energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce the load on your electrical system. Energy-efficient products consume less power, which can help to prevent voltage drops and flickering lights. Replacing older incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs can make a significant difference in energy consumption. The NEC, or National Electrical Code, provides guidelines for electrical installations and safety. It is important to follow the NEC guidelines when working with electrical systems to ensure safety and compliance. Here are some additional tips to consider. Check the condition of your electrical panel. Look for any signs of damage, such as rust, corrosion, or loose wires. If you notice any problems, contact a qualified electrician to inspect and repair the panel. Consider installing a whole house surge protector to protect all of your electrical devices from power surges. A whole house surge protector is installed at the electrical panel and provides protection for the entire electrical system. Use a voltage tester to check the voltage at various outlets in your home. This can help you to identify any areas where the voltage is consistently low or fluctuating. Avoid overloading extension cords or power strips. Overloading these devices can create a fire hazard. When using extension cords, make sure they are properly rated for the amount of power you are using. Keep electrical cords away from water sources. Water can conduct electricity and create a shock hazard. Unplug electrical devices when you are not using them. This can help to save energy and reduce the risk of electrical problems. Consider installing a backup generator in case of power outages. A generator can provide power to your home during emergencies. Make sure your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are working properly. These devices can alert you to potential hazards in your home. If you have any concerns about the safety of your electrical system, contact a qualified electrician for an inspection. Regular electrical inspections can help to identify and prevent potential problems. When working with electrical systems, always follow safety precautions. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection. Turn off the power before working on any electrical circuits. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work. Consider the impact of your electrical usage on the environment. Conserve energy by using energy-efficient appliances and lighting. Reduce your carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources, such as solar panels. Be aware of the potential hazard associated with electrical systems. Electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always take precautions to protect yourself and your family from electrical shock and fire. If you experience any unusual electrical problems, such as flickering lights, burning smells, or sparking outlets, contact a qualified electrician immediately. Ignoring electrical problems can lead to more serious consequences. Remember that electrical systems require regular maintenance. Inspect your electrical system periodically to identify and address any potential problems. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered professional electrical advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work or repairs. The electrician can assess your specific situation and provide recommendations based on your individual needs. Electrical codes and regulations vary depending on your location. It is important to comply with all applicable codes and regulations when working with electrical systems. The utility company is responsible for maintaining the electrical grid up to the point where it connects to your property. If you have any concerns about the electrical service provided by the utility company, contact them directly. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. By working together, homeowners, electricians, and utility companies can help to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. In summary, flickering lights can be a sign of various electrical problems ranging from loose connections to overloaded transformers. It is important to investigate flickering lights promptly and take steps to address the underlying cause. By following the tips and recommendations provided, you can help to ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system.